Hello everyone, this is our second video for the night. I have already shared with you that we're going to go through lesson 4 and that we're also going to start on lesson number 5. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we go to Burlington English. In Burlington English, we're going to go to login and we're going to go to courses. And in courses, we're going to go to the blue book. Our blue book is called High Intermediate. In High Intermediate, you're going to go to SL, Student Lessons. So click on Student Lessons. And then we're going to go ahead and go through number 5. So what you want to make sure that you do is look and watch the video and listen. So here you have 3 people. You have a woman, you have a man, a male. He's wearing glasses, and if you notice, he has a cup. Maybe it's coffee, maybe it's tea, but we don't know. And then we have this man here. We're going to say that this man is a bank employee. So if we read the lesson, it says, in this lesson, you are going to watch a video about opening a bank account and role play a conversation between a bank employee and a customer. So once we read this one, we're going to go to number 2. And we have these pictures. We have a total 4. Look at picture number 1. So this driver's license, look at the information, the name of the state, the name of the person, the number, the driver's license, okay, the address for the person, their date of birth. So remember, DOB, date of birth. The sex, meaning her gender, is she a female, okay, or male, her height, and then when they issued this driver's license. And it tells you here, and when does it expire? Let's go ahead and look at picture 2. Here we have just the picture of 2 hands. On the right side, the person is using a pen. And this, we're going to call it probably is an application. Let's go ahead and look at picture number 3. Here we have a person giving cash, giving money in cash to another person that we're probably going to say is a bank employee. And then our last picture, we have here a couple, a male and a female, and they're talking probably to a bank employee. So here, okay, we want to go ahead and look at the pictures and then answer. And everyone, we have 4 different responses, 4 correct answers. So if we want to open an account, what do we fill out? A form, beat me with an employee. Okay, C, show your ID. D, withdraw money from an ATM. E, pay your bills. F, take out a loan. Or G, put money in the account. So we're going to say A. We're going to fill out a form. So these pictures are supposed to help us. B, or actually C, we're going to show your ID. Then what are we going to do? We're going to meet with the bank employee. And then last thing we're going to do is put money in the account. If we check this, okay, we got them all correct. So moving to number 3, everyone. We have all of these words. Please listen to all of them. There is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Please learn the words. Play them.
Build up your savings.
And then record yourself. So remember, click build up your savings. And then you're going to be able to listen to yourself after you record. Secondly, or number 4, we're moving on. Now that we learned the words, I want you to read 1 through 4. Make sure that you choose the correct answer. Okay, please read through all of these. And then we're going to go through 5. Same thing. Okay, it's still vocabulary words that you're supposed to be, okay, looking through. And remember, we're moving them. These are not the correct ones, but I want you to try this out. So number 6, this is where we're going to be watching a video. And then we're going to go ahead and choose the correct 3 responses. Same with number 7. We're going to watch the video again and then say true or false to a couple of questions. And lastly, everyone, we're going to go ahead and listen to what the employee says. And then we're going to go ahead and choose the correct answer and record ourselves. So make sure that you go through lesson number 5. So once we're done with 5, we're going to go ahead and read. And we have more vocabulary. But first, let's go ahead and look at this. We have 3 images. Our first image, everyone, is a man. And it looks like he is shopping. The second one is a woman wearing a red coat. And she's pointing her finger. But look here, she has 1, 2, 3 shopping bags. And then the third picture that we have, it is another female. And in her hand, she has a card. Maybe it's a debit card. Or maybe it's a bank account. A bank card, a debit card. Or maybe it's a credit card. Or maybe it could be a gift card. But we're going to talk about buying. And most importantly, this word, I want you to know this word, impulse buying. What does it mean to impulse buy? So as soon as we're done with that, thinking about all of this information, we're going to move through the lesson. So number 2, please read what Tony and Joyce say. And then please, answer the correct, question. Answer the question correctly. Choose the correct answer. Once you're finished, we have more vocabulary, same thing. Go through all of these words, everyone. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this time we have 19 words, same thing. Listen.
On impulse.
Then record yourself. On impulse. And then it didn't listen to me. I didn't say it correctly. So make sure that you try again. You make another attempt to record yourself. Once you think you've learned the words, we're going to move on to number 4. And we're going to read the sentence and choose the correct answer. Again, this is vocabulary practice. And then number 5, we're going to do more vocabulary practice. Okay, make sure that you take at least 10 to 15 minutes with just vocabulary. Once we're ready, we're moving on to read. So in read, everyone, we have this. This is our audio. We can put play.
Impulse buy.
And we can also do the following. We can change the speeds. Once we're finished reading, then we're going to go ahead and answer the questions. And then guess what? We have more questions. And then we have more questions. So please make sure that this, makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, please ask me questions, send me an email. And then we have the following. Vocabulary focus. We're going to get 3 more words. Can't stand. Can't wait. Can't win. And then you have a last activity with can't. So I hope that makes sense. And then guess what? I said I'm not going through 7 because I want to go through number 8. We want to make sure that you look at your habits. If you go shopping, what are your habits? And then same with number 2. Okay, you're going to go ahead and look at the ad, and then you're going to go ahead and choose 4 correct answers about what is a smart consumer. And then you're going to analyze this, analyze it a little bit more, and then we're going to be writing. So I want to see what you guys think about shopping. So we'll go through this assignment on Monday, but please be ready to do a writing plan in English on Monday. Let me know if you have questions. I'm going to go ahead and end the second video, and then we'll have a third video.